Alright, downside of finding the great spot, I felt awkward recording there. Well, I was gonna do it, but there's one girl right next to me, and she already kind of gave me a dirty look, so we're not gonna do that because I don't want to get more dirty looks from homegirl. So, I will do this elsewhere. Alright, so, lights already on, I don't know what I'm doing. Elsewhere! So, Trader Joe's has very great snacks to choose from. The only problem is, I am going to be starting my cut soon. So what does that mean? Finding snacks I can actually eat. But, fear not, for Trader Joe's is very helpful and very dangerous. So, I also found some stuff I can eat, which is going to be super sick. But, I actually only went for one item. One item specifically. Dark chocolate half-coated rice cake thins. These things are crack. Crack, I say. Now, the upside is dark chocolate, sick. No milk. So, super great on the stomach. 120 calories for 2. So you just have one a day. And boom. So of course, me being me, boom, 2. And keep one in the trunk, one inside. It's called control, baby. Control. Seaweed. Seaweed is amazing. A roasted teriyaki seaweed. Seaweed from Trader Joe's. Seaweed from Trader Joe's is just, it's amazing. If you haven't tried this, you are honestly missing out. Upside, 30 calories. So, see how this goes, because the last time I had a cut, caught. See, now, it's all about balance, too. Y'all fucking up if you're not getting these on the daily. Amazing. Amazing. Now, my neighbor's about to be coming out, so we're going to see if he says anything. Because I probably look like a fool talking to my phone. To the camera. To no one. Alright, I got distracted. I don't even know where I left off. Where did those? So, homegirl that works at Trader Joe's recommended ABC. Now, I've actually never even heard of these, but they're almond butter cocoa bars. So I'm pretty excited for this. Let's see. 160 per bar. Sodium's pretty high. 4 grams of protein, I'll freaking take it. But they're vegan and gluten-free. So homies who have troubles, you got that. This actually caught my attention because I'm a bastard. The chokehold PB&Js have on me. A PB&J bar! How? Oh. So, 140 per bar. What's that? See, these aren't bad. Like, they're not crazy. But I'm just so lazy sometimes. So, now I'm forced to do more. So, I'm deserving of these. See, okay, these aren't, it doesn't say, it doesn't like have like a large font of like vegan. I don't see what is in here that's like not vegan. I don't know. Gluten-free though, gluten-free. Gluten-free. So these I actually saw while I was hopping in line. They're chocolate chip cookies. Top 9 allergen-free. Vegan and gluten-free. Now if you know the disgusting chokehold that chocolate chip cookies also have on me, oh my god. Oh, I honestly can't wait to try these. I could try them. 3 cookies is a serving size and 140 calories. How many of you actually freaking care about the calories? Like, I know I need to care right now, but that is just oi. Did I get any more snacks? I think that's it on snacks, honestly. And I got food stuff. Personal favorite. Soy chorizo. I am chorizo. Meatless ground. This actually caught my attention while I was looking at the snacks. So, plant-based crumbles made with pea protein. Pea protein. I'm excited for this. I'll be eating that. And then organic 3-grain tempeh. I still have like a weird time cooking this because I never know actually how to work with it. But good move. Now, put it in my bag and F off. I kind of regret taking it out like this because, like, homegirl packed this up so nicely. And no. I'm packing this up. Am I weird for leaving, like, a thing of rice cakes in here? No, I actually... it's my car. It's my car. I can leave whatever I want in here. Part of me wants to leave these shits in here now. Oh, glove department snacks. Let's go. Let's freaking go. Alright. That's about it. I had no other adventure today. My excuse of getting out. Trader Joe's. Stupid. I'm gonna end this. Alright, bye.